How to link a funding source. Let's link a primary funding source to your Acorns account so you can start saving and investing in the background of life automatically. We'll walk you through how to set it up, and we'll also show you how to change your funding source anytime. Okay, here's how to link a funding source if you're setting up your Acorns account for the first time. Open the Acorns app and tap your profile in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then tap Linked Accounts. Tap Link an Account. From here, choose how you want to link your bank. You can link with Plaid using your online banking login credentials, or add it manually by entering your routing and accounting numbers. To link with Plaid, search for your bank, then sign in with your online banking username and password. Plaid is a secure, widely used service that we've partnered with to connect your bank with Acorns. It's generally the fastest way to verify your account, and it's required if you want to invest your spare change with roundups. We'll never store your bank login info, and your data is protected with industry standard security measures. Don't see your bank listed? You can always choose the manual option. Enter your routing number and account number from a check or bank statement to link the account. Acorns may ask you to verify your ownership by sending microdeposits to your bank account. Once you confirm those deposits, just come back to Acorns and enter the exact amounts to complete verification. After verification, you'll see your new bank listed at the top of the linked account screen as your primary checking account. This keeps your deposits, roundups, and recurring transfers running smoothly. If you already have a bank account set as your primary checking account, but want to use a different bank as your primary, here's how to switch. Open the Acorns app and tap your profile. Next, tap Settings. Then tap Linked Accounts. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Change Primary Account. Then Link New Account. From here, you'll add the bank you want to use as your new primary funding source. You'll choose between linking instantly with Plaid or adding it manually with your bank account details. Then, you'll follow the same steps you'd use to add a new bank. After verification, you'll see your new bank listed as your primary checking account. This is the bank account Acorns will use for deposits, roundups, and recurring investments going forward. With your funding source linked, you can now take advantage of all the ways Acorns helps you grow your oak.